Hey, you were wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. Having looked at over 30 hosting sites, and this one has the most reliable security features. I have been using this hosting for about 10 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you 7 life hacks that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Take a closer look at the screen. Let's get started.
Good evening, afternoon or morning for everyone. This service I'm going to review got its start in 1997 at a college dormitory. A group of 4 technology-loving friends came together to create open source technology that would help people and business owners better connect to the web. Service left the dorm room and offices in San Diego today. Now it serves over 400,000 clients across 1.5 million sites. It's great open source software, great customer service and flexible, reliable solutions. What's in the package? Hosting plans. Service offers a range of hosting plans to serve everything from individual blogs to complex high-traffic corporate sites. All hosting plans come with a customizable automatic installer, automated malware monitoring and remediation, Cloudflare integration, and a 100% uptime guarantee. Yes, service guarantees 100% uptime of its UOs. Well, we'll cover that later, but first let's take a look at the hosting plan. Shared hosting. Shared hosting plans start at $7.87 per month, see the special discount. In this regard, your website will be hosted on solid-state drives. The plan includes one free domain name and offers unlimited storage and bandwidth. This option is ideal for simple sites without a ton of traffic, including blogs, portfolios, small business sites, personal sites, and databases. Managed WordPress hosting, DreamPress 2. At $19.95 per month, this is perfect for anyone looking for a comprehensive WordPress optimized hosting. The plan includes hosting on virtual private servers with 30 GB of SSD storage, PHP 5.5 with Opcache, and optional HHVM automatic WordPress installations and core updates. One of the main benefits of this plan is that you get 24/7 WordPress support from DreamHost experts via live chat, Twitter, or email on any WordPress theme or plugins. Virtual private servers. Starting at $15 per month, this option is ideal for businesses, e-commerce sites, designers, and developers looking for a powerful, fast, and stable option to launch websites and web applications that receive significant traffic. Virtual private server hosting services come in 4 different sizes. All offer unlimited bandwidth, unlimited domains, IPv6 network support, 24/7 and 100 network downtime. Dedicated servers. All dedicated servers have 1 terabyte of memory for all your files, server processor, full root access, multi-core processors, automatic managed backups, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited 24/7 support. For $169 per month, you get 4 GB of RAM. For $209 per month, you get 8 GB of RAM. And for $249 a month, you get 16 GB of RAM. All dedicated server hosting plans are billed monthly, so there is no ongoing commitment. What makes this service different? As you might have guessed, this service is called DreamHost. There are few things I like about DreamHost that set DreamHost apart from others. 100% uptime guarantee. If you delve deeper into the TOS DreamHost, you will find something you usually don't see with most other hosting providers. 100% uptime guarantee written in simple, crystal clear English. No additional rules in small print. No dozens of if-else cases under warranty. 97 days full payment term. DreamHost has the longest full refund trial I've ever seen. The hosting company is so confident that customers will love their hosting services that if you cancel within the first 97 days, the company will refund your money in full, minus domain registration fees. Hosting SSD. SSD hosting is faster database queries and faster caching in general. DreamHost not only offers free domain names with hosting plans, keep for the original shared hosting plan, they also include a lot of additional features making the deal a little nicer. To get started, use the handy domain name search bar to find the perfect URL for your growing website. Next, enjoy the following. Auto renewals. Set up automatic domain name renewals for yourself so that every year you can make sure your domain name stays yours and no one benefits from your hard work. DNS management. Refer to computer by name, not IP address. Get as many subdomains as you need for free. Custom name servers. Create vanity name servers under your domain to answer DNS queries for your domain. Domain forwarding. Automatically redirect your website visitors to a different URL or domain name for better content management. Additional domain blocking. Freeze your domain name for added security to prevent unauthorized changes. Registering your domain name with DreamHost is the easiest solution if you also use it as a hosting provider. However, if you have a domain name with another company, you can easily transfer it to DreamHost when you're ready. Dedication to the environment. DreamHost understands that running a hosting company is damaging to the environment. For example, the electricity to keep servers running, paper to run offices, and even the gas needed to get employees to and from work every day all affects the environment we all share. There is also a realization that DreamHost has grown over the years and into the future and will continue to grow into a larger business that uses more of the Earth's precious resources. In response, DreamHost does the following to reduce its own carbon footprint. Their offices operate with energy-efficient appliances and lighting and use plumbing fixtures with low airflow and motion control. Data centers include high-efficiency cooling infrastructure, municipal and recovered water use, energy-efficient processes, and electricity from renewable sources such as wind farms, solar panels, and hydroelectric power plants. Employees receive free recycling bins at their offices, financial incentives to use public transportation, work from home opportunities, and access to electronic registration and video conferencing. If it's important to do your part to preserve the environment, you can rest assured that DreamHost is on your side and does its best to provide you with environmentally responsible hosting services. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would give these guys a 4. They are not ideal hosting, but I have yet to find one worthy of an all-star review. Bottom line, if you're a WordPress blogger looking for a low-cost, simple hosting provider that offers quality customer service, DreamHost is your best bet.